How to change Snapchat notification sound. So if you want to change the Snapchat notification sound, then what you need to do is tap and hold onto your Snapchat application. Go with your app info. On your app info, you need to go with notifications. Make sure that you've turned on your notifications. Now under notifications, you just need to simply go with your general notifications, and after that tap on silent notification option, and from here you can just simply go and turn it on, and after that go with snaps and chats. And if you scroll down here, you will have the sound section, so you just need to simply tap on sound. In my case, I have app provided sound, but if you want to change the sound, then you can simply choose any other sound that you are comfortable with. Once you've selected the sound, go back, and that's it. The sound has been changed. That's how you can change your notification sound on your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.